Suswagatam. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of a Bangalore Obstetric Gynae Society, I welcome each and every one of you for this grand cultural extravaganza of Nanavarsha 2016.
St. John's has come up with a very beautiful skit. It's a rip tickling skit called PG's Day Out.
Good evening to one and all. I am sure that you will agree with us that it is good to laugh at ourselves once in a way. I am going to tell you the story of the OBG PGs. They have just entered the department and they are full of josh.
हम होंगे कामयाब हम होंगे कामयाब हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन
Look, they have become so busy. But what are they doing? Yes, I will tell you what they're doing. They're doing rounds. They're doing morning rounds, afternoon rounds, evening rounds, midnight rounds.
हाय हाय ये मजदूरी अरे हाय हाय ये मजदूरी
And now, here is our patient being accompanied by the staff nurse. ಬನ್ನಿ ಮಾ ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಯ್ಯಯ್ಯೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಕಮ್ಮ ಕಮ್ ವೇರ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪಿ ಜಿಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮೀ ಓಕೆ
ये क्या हुआ कैसे हुआ कब हुआ क्यों हुआ बोलो कुछ तो बोलो
दौड़ा दौड़ा
दौड़ा दौड़ा दौड़ा दौड़ा धूम उठा के दौड़ा Oh no! They have chased her away. But wait. There is another patient coming. ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆಮ್ಮ ಬನ್ನಿ ಮಾ ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾ ಬನ್ನಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮಗುವಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋವು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ Hey, where are all the first year PGs? Come, monitor closely and deliver normally. No cesarean for this patient.
एक दो तीन चार पाँच सात आठ नौ दस ग्यारह बारह तेरह
तेरा तरो
गिन 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 इंतजार आओ बेबी आओ भागर
Oh, so nice. Chotu wants to monitor with the partogram, but wait, what is the senior PG doing? She wants to monitor after the delivery.
गोलमाल है
है भाई सब गोलमाल है
टान टान टा टा
टाना
टा
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 टा।
टा गोलमाल है भाई सब गोलमाल है
And now Chotu wants to apply forceps, but wait, again, what is the senior PG doing? She takes away the forceps and asks the senior PG to give fondal pressure.
ಮುಕ್ಕಿ ಮಾ ಮುಕ್ಕಿ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮುಕ್ಕಿ ಮಾ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮುಕ್ಕಿ ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇಬಿ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಮ್ಮ ಮುಕ್ಕಿ
दौड़ा 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 धूम उड़ा के दौड़ा
And finally, the professors walk in fuming and chase all the PGs out. Hey, what is this, man? Is this any way to behave in the labor room? Is this what we've taught you? Don't show me your face again. Get out. Pah, what a mess these people have made. Even after teaching them so much, they have done like this. What, ma? Pah.
Why this colaveri
कोलवेरी कोलवेरी डी
Why this colaveri colaveri colaveri
Finally, the professors are pacified. Don't worry, ma. Don't worry. Don't repeat this, okay? Come for rounds from tomorrow. Okay? Go, go. Finally, it is time for the RGUHS final exams. And here we have our PGs preparing for the upcoming exam.
तुम ही हो अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो तुम ही हो अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो.
And now it's exam day, and here we have our PGs getting ready. They are sitting down and they are going to start writing their final RGHS exams.
याद न आई भूल गए सब याद न आई भूल गए सब.
Finally, they have passed. Look how happy they are.
It is the time to disco.
Ta-ta-da-da-da.
It is the time to disco.
Ta-ta-da-da-da.
It's the time to disco.
Where's the party tonight?
On the dance floor,
Where's the party tonight?
somewhere down the road.
Where's the party? Thank you.
We'll just call all the participants. I'm sure you all had a rollicking time. Just Sheila, can we have all of them on stage, please? Dr. Gomti will hand over the prizes to all.
Dr. Sheila,
Does she
head of the
look like the
department.
HOD in St. John's? She looks like a student who's just joined medicine.
Dr. Shruti, Ma'am Dr. Shruti, our final year PG. Dr. Vishnu Priya, our assistant professor. Dr. Shilpa, she is a senior assistant. Dr. Anu, she our PG, and Dr. Praveen, he is also PG. And Dr. Danya, junior PG. Dr. Vismaya, a final year PG. Our moderator, Dr. Roshan, and his intern, Vamshi, senior PG. Dr. Benin, our intern, and Dr. Jacqueline, our intern. Thank you very much.
Give them a big round of applause, please. The announcer didn't get it. Thank you, ma'am. My dear friends, you are in for an amazing experience now. We have 4 famous couples competing for the mate for each other title. And guess what? The mate for each other couple in BSOG are judging this round. Have fun. Dr. Gomti? Yes. I request all the 4 couples who have given their names to please come to the stage. I request the judges to be kindly be seated. Dr. Narayan and Dr. Gomti. We have Dr. Shilpa and Dr. Mahesh. Dr. Mahesh, Shilpa, the girls will sit on that side. The men will sit here. I request the men to kindly accompany their wives to their chairs, make them sit down there, and then come back to your chairs. We'll start with Shilpa and Mahesh. Kind Dr. Murlidhar? Yeah. Yes. The same thing again. Dr. Murlidhar, please drop Dr. Chandrika to her seat and then come back and sit. Yeah, I'm glad you all are holding hands. That is what we wanted. Yes, this is made for each other. Where's the next couple? Hey. Prakash and Asha, and then come and sit in your chair here. क्या बोले? नहीं रे. ठीक है. Whoever wears the pants. Huh? Anyone, Kaleem and all that, I don't know. We had another couple. Where are they? I don't know. Dr. Jamila, from now on, each and every action of yours are being watched by the made for each other couple. Where are the questions? Chits.
We are starting the first round. This is a written round. 2 husbands and 2 wives are going to write the answers in the slip provided to you. We are given 1 single minute to write the answer. Suchitra?
पता नहीं क्या करते पहले खा लो स्वीट they have to write and submit.
Your timer starts now. 1 minute.
Last.
1 minute over. Dr. Shilpa to answer. There is 2 parts in the question. The first part is a single word answer. That also you can stand up and answer. Second part is a situation round. That question you have to enact and say what your husband would have done for that situation. Okay? So,
Mahesh, don't get
what is
nervous.
your favorite color when you go to buy the?
काला का बेको.
When you buy your dress?
Red.
Your Mahesh doesn't agree with that. But,
Because he hardly comes.
No, the thing is, when you have such kind of disparity, maybe Mahesh wants to see you in the color to appreciate it more. Am I right, Mahesh? What color you would choose when you go to buy?
Blue.
He has given 3 options to you. Pink.
Blue, pink, and any bright color.
Yeah, but the thing is, blue is not his choice. So next time when you go to the shop, please do buy either pink, yellow, or black. And
All the
probably
bright
he
colors.
wants to see you in those colors.
Sure, thank you so much.
Okay. Your husband is getting ready to go for an English movie, but you are asking him to accompany you to a Hindi movie. You just enact how he will react.
So you want me to go to an English movie, but I request you for a Hindi movie. Would you accompany me to the Hindi movie, please? He's very pleased.
He is
He's
ready, but he has not written the answer because he was doubtful.
No, actually, we don't go to movies.
No, but I think that we shouldn't think that he is henpecked, that
No.
you are asking, so he goes.
No, he's
Yes.
ready to do anything for me. Second,
Yeah,
that's it.
that's it.
Thank you.
So if that is so, it is good, you are lucky.
Thank you.
And you always have an advantage of reaping the rewards later. Once you agree for each other's,
Yes, we do.
then the other person gets the advantage later. So your husband knows that. That is why he is accompanying you to the Hindi movie. Now, Shilpa, it is your chance. Which brand of lipstick does you use commonly?
I don't.
No lipstick at all? But Mahesh says that you use a particular brand.
MAC.
But the thing is, I don't know whether he's giving it to you or to his girlfriend.
It's for my daughter, ma'am.
So now the question is to the situation round. He is coming home late after work, very, very tired. You have gone out with your friends without cooking a dinner. You are not reachable. You are not contactable. How will he react?
That's Arnab Goswami. Times now. And that's it.
He is a very nice husband, Shilpa. He is worried. Where you have gone, you are not reachable, and for your safety. You have got a lovely husband, but don't allow this to happen repeatedly. At least as a saving grace, you should cook a proper food and keep it on the table.
I'll take on Mehta first. Prakash, what was the first wedding anniversary gift you received or you gave to your wife?
Earrings
No, you bluffed.
or watch? Watch, baby.
No, if you had really given something very expensive, it had pinched your purse, I think you'll remember it for a long time.
Was it a purse? Was it a purse?
Yeah, second time lucky. Now, soon after your wedding, your wife cooked your favorite dish. You commented that it was not as good as what your mother would have made. Now, how did she react? Can you act and show?
I think I was lucky I didn't get beaten up. But well, I should say she adapted over time and made cooking like my mother's.
You didn't see her tears. I think you didn't see her tears, I'm saying. She was quiet with tears. That's her response. I'll ask Muralidhar. What was the first movie you saw with your wife after you got married?
I think I remember the song, but I forgot the movie name.
Yeah, okay.
Gundu song, you know.
She
It was
seems to
Malashri's
remember.
movie.
Don't remember the name?
Nanjundi Kalyana. Correct.
I just want to tell you something.
Yes.
If both of you don't remember the movie, I think it's perfectly all right. We can understand.
No, why I remember was, actually we just had finished the marriage with the marriage attire, with all that, Mangala Sutram and whatever, that haldi and all that. We went to the marriage and everyone were looking at us. Though I still remember that movie.
I see. Okay. Now, what I thought was, if you both don't remember the movie, we can understand, because you would have been lost in each other. But
Maybe.
if one of you remember, the other was probably watching the other partner.
Yes, sir.
And if both of you remember, we have a little fear. That means you're not paying attention to each other, but to the movie.
Yeah.
The second thing is, if you have forgotten your wife's birthday, what would have been her reaction?
That would have been an earthquake. That would have been an earthquake, like I think Rahul Gandhi was expressing yesterday. If he speaks in parliament, there will be an earthquake. So it is impossible.
No, but actually, we are interested in knowing how you made up later on, because that will be very useful for all of us here.
So probably buy an expensive one to console whatever the mistake you would have committed.
Now we go on to the action round. This is for the husbands. To give you a sari, and you are supposed to estimate the price of the sari, approximate price of the sari. No, they can write it. Or they can tell us. If you're writing down, write your name as well.
Suchitra, please ask the wives to pick up the slip. This round is a dumb charade. Go to the center.
It's a movie name. Name of a movie.
Time is up. Next candidate. Dil to pagal hai.
बुड्ढा मैं क्या करूँ राम मुझे बुड्ढा मिल गया क्या सचमुच बोला या सिर्फ एक्टिंग की
मुझे मी 2 words moon me sister brother child सूरज चंद्री वाइफ बीवी बीवी बच्चे माँ 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 तुझे सलाम माँ टाइम अप
Time is up.
Okay.
The picture is
It's Mother India. First, Mother India.
India.
हम किसी से हाँ? मैं हम सबको हम कौन हम कैसे कौन हम आपके हैं कौन
Good.
The sari yes prize goes to Dr. Prakash. Dr. Prakash has to give it to his wife. 250. 750.
Sorry, he guessed it closest.
Okay.
Anything else? You made the score this thing?
No, the needle.
Needle. Are you doing it? Are you doing the needle?
Give this to the husband. Yeah, let them take it and give it to them. All the ladies, please get up and give this needle and thread to the husbands. Okay. You can instruct them not touch the needle or the thread. The one who does it fastest. Instruction, orally. Yeah.
That's it. Marking you've done, no?
Yes.
And the marking, I have done some marking.
Yeah. 30 seconds, please.
हो गया था हमारा होके बाहर निकल गए
Now you people can sit together. You can sit together now. Change place.
Prakash Mehta and Asha, but they've already been given a prize. So we are giving the prize to Shilpa and Mahesh. Congratulations to the winners, and I hope their hearts grow fonder, and may they live happily ever after. We must also congratulate the gentleman who correctly guessed the price of the sari. A word of caution to the audience, particularly the ladies in the audience. If you ever call this couple to your home for dinner, make sure you wear an expensive sari. Also want to reassure the two couples who lost, they are in very good company. They are welcome to my club. The club has a huge membership. If Gomati and I had entered this competition, which we did actually, without you knowing, we would have occupied the 5th place. Thanks to Dr. Jyotika, we discovered that after 44 years of blissful and I thought happy marriage, we found out that we are not made for each other. And it's rather too late. Thank you very much, Jyotika, and thanks everyone for being very patient.
Dr. Narayan Gomti for that fun-filled program.
We thank Dr. Gomti and Dr. Narayan for conducting the Made for Each Other contest so beautifully.
Dr. Jyotika has arranged for certain interesting questions for the audience, and she will tell the rules of the game.
I'm going to show you a clutch. In this particular round, I would like you to tell me what the price, approximate price of this purse is. The one who comes closest to it will take it and keep it. Manja, I don't want my picture, I want the picture of this, so that he can. Okay, we have only 30 seconds for this, so please, come on, yes? Let's have a mic for you.
800.
Okay, no, wrong, only first row. It's not seen, sir. 2,000.
No, 600.
Dr. Lillian?
100.
Next. 1,000. Only first row. Second row has, yes?
400.
How much?
400.
4. Just one last. Huh? I think Lata gets it. It is 200 only. You know, you are from Pondicherry, so you know. We didn't buy it from Pondicherry though. Come up, Lata. Come up, come up. Yeah. She came to the first row just to get this prize. See how luck favors the brave. We'll have one more round for the audience now. Uma? Yes. So, we have compiled the arresting eyes of a few politicians, not actors, mind you. All of you all are very good at guessing the names of actors from their eyes. This is for the second row only. Can some more people come to the second row, please? Second row. The correct answer will get you a very beautiful gift. Come on, ladies and gents, start guessing. In the front row, cannot go back to the second row.
Me here.
Huh? Come, Jayanti, you get your prize. Suchitra? Thank you. Good. Now we come to the third row. This is a very interesting picture for you. We have two questions. One very easy. Most of you all can identify it. And one not so easy. Come on. What is this building? Third row only. The founder members. When was BSOG born? EC members cannot answer. I know they don't know, but I'm just ruling them out. Dr. Padmini Isaac,
Founder members Ratnabai More.
Yes, one of them. No, the first question, when was BSOG born?
Can I answer?
50 years.
50.
Can I answer, madam?
Who's that?
Srinivas.
Srinivas? No, Srinivas. You are More. Some more people are there involved. You are right. 1968, August 14th. We celebrate the foundation day of BSOG every year. From the last 3 years, we are doing it. Yes, very good. Can you stand up, please? And give me the other answers too. I know only one. Anybody else in the third row? Padmi, I'm sure you know. No? Yes. Dr. Gunshila. Who else? We have somebody sitting here in the front row. Dr. Desai and Dr. Batija. Okay, you can get the prize. Come up to the stage, one of you. And give a big hand to Dr. Batija first.
Malini keeps telling me, I know it.
Yeah? The secret is out. Malini keeps telling us, that's how we know. Not about this question, but in general. Looks like the audience is going to have only fun and more fun. Now we come to the fourth row. Uma, get back. So have one more dekho at the only fourth row, please. Nobody else should answer. At the Aankho Aankho Mein stills. If you can't identify this pair of eyes.
Narendra Modi.
Good, very good. Come up here. Whatever you're getting, you have to give your mom. Whose son are you? Tejas. That means Aruna is getting this prize. What, Tejas? You're going home with a lot of prizes? Huh? Stand. Here, take it. Was it so easy? I should have picked somebody more difficult. Fifth row. Are you all ready? Tilda, get ready. Are you all ready? Say yes. Okay, whose eyes are those? Not very difficult. They were that clear. Where's the fun? Fifth row, no takers? Yes? Come on, Ganesh.
Is it
Participate in the Antakshari. This is for your mom again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, good. We welcome both of you. So we have 7 teams here. I cannot call them couples. And they are, first we'll start with Dr. Jamila and Javeria. They will be given their badges so that it's easier for us to manage. Dr. Rekha Rajendra and Pratima, what did you get?
Team. Name of your team.
Asha Bhonsle, okay. What about Srinivas and Rahul? Very good. Welcome, Rahul. Next we have Dr. Jayashri and Ganesh. Team? I knew you would get Kishore Kumar somehow. What about Chandrika and Dr. Murlidhar?
Kavita Krishnamurthy.
Great. And Sushila?
Anuradha Padwal.
Okay, fine. So now all of you all know we will be addressing you only by your team names, not by your real names. So please be alert. Shobha, Parimala, start Madi.
Yeah. The first round is not the regular Antakshari, but a song starting from an unusual letter. There is no pass. Is there pass, Jyotika? There is no pass. There is no pass. So the first team, can you tell the team names?
Language.
So we have.
It's only Hindi.
Yes. The last round is Kannada. Remaining are Hindi.
Srinivas Tyagaraja Kirtne adana antla.
Okay. I just want to request you all. Asha Bhonsle, please come to the front here. We are going clockwise. Who's the next one?
Lata Mangeshkar.
Lata will be next.
Next to Mohammad Rafi.
K first Alami. Kishore Kumar, please come here. Yeah, you go there. You all are Anuradha. New Munde Barri.
goes to Asha Bhosle team. Please sing a song with the letter P.
F.
P.
फूलों के रंग से दिल की कलम से तुझको लिखी रोज पाती कैसे बताऊं ओह थैंक यू सो मच
Next is what?
No, which is sorry. What is their team?
Anuradha.
Anuradha Podwal team sings with the letter V.
वाह वाह राम जी जोड़ी क्या बनाई भैया और भाभी को बधाई हो बधाई
Yes.
रस्मों से बड़ी है जग में दिल से दिल की सगाई
Tell me the name of that. Kishore Kumar team, please sing with the letter Th. Big Th. Dirgha Th. A Hindi song with Th. 10 seconds. Getting
ठंडे
over.
ठंडे पानी से नहाना चाहिए.
It is Th and not Th.
Okay.
Th. The time is over. Who is keeping time? Time here. Time.
थम्मा थम्मा लोगे थम्मा थम्मा लोगे थम्मा
No, that
तू
is Chuma
प्रेमी
Chuma. Sorry.
No, I think
No. This is no. That is a different song. This is from movie Thanedar. Sanjay Dutt. थम्मा थम्मा लोगे थम्मा तू प्रेमी आहा मैं प्रेमी आहा.
Done. Next is who? Which? Muhammad Rafi. Please sing with the letter Kh. Chandrika Kh.
No, Kavita Krishnamurthy.
Kavita Krishnamurthy. Okay, who are they? Muhammad Rafi yaro. Yes.
ओके कविता खजरा रे
No. Sorry, that is K. We are asking K. Dirgha K.
खा
Khadag ka Kh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
खजरा रे it is.
Small K. Time. खिलौना जान कर तुम तो मेरा दिल तोड़ जाते हो. What is the name of that team? Second.
Kavita.
The next one team. Lata Mangeshkar with the letter Sh. Shakkar ka Sh.
शान गुलाबी ये रात गुलाबी.
You have to sing at least one line completely. Otherwise, you don't get marks. Time. Madam, take time and keep. We are unable to keep time. Sure. You still have 3 seconds left. 1.
शांति
Done. So,
शीशा हो या दिल हो आखिर टूट जाता है
टूट जाता है. The next team is named Muhammad Rafi team from the letter Ch.
चैया 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 चल चैया 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 चल चैया 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 चल चैया 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 चैया.
Srinivas, we are very happy that you have been corrupted. Actually, it is Bikcha. It is Chaya. It is not Chaya.
We asked you Cha, so I'm sorry.
चाहूँगा मैं तुझे सांझ सवेरे दिल की अभी अब नाम तो तेरे आवाज में न दूंगा.
I think we'll go on to the buzzer rounds. Are we ready? Okay.
Really, buzzer illa. We have no buzzer here. So what I would like you all to do is raise your hands. From now on, the words, we are going to ask words. One word will be told. I would like all of you all to get ready with that word, and within 10 seconds, you should answer. Whoever raises the hand first. Hey, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿದ್ರು.
ನಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎತ್ತಿದೆ.
ए पर्वत ना हमें रोके.
So they get 10 marks. Kishore Kumar get 10 marks for this. Dr. Narayan, please. Dr. Narayan, Dr. Jaya, Dr. Lata. You all are responsible for this. Just see that you are not beaten up at the end of this round. Okay, the next. Are you all ready? Are you all? No, they'll raise. No, nobody will do that. Good. They came from Chittorgarh. Okay, the next word is tasveer.
बनाता हूँ तस्वीर नहीं बनती, तस्वीर नहीं बनती.
We are convinced, Pratima.
बादल क्यों गरजता है, डर कुछ ऐसा लगता है, चमक चमक के लपट के ये दिल है हम गिरेंगी.
No, first line is not complete. What do? We give you only 5 marks. Next. Are you all ready for the next?
Yes. He'll complete.
Bhavar. ಹೆದರಿಸ್ತೀಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ.
देखो हम दीवानों को, मस्ती में मस्तानों को.
Yeah, that's perfect, ma. Perfect.
Asha, Lata Mangeshkar, you have not opened your account. Asha Bhonsle 20, Anuradha Padwal 20, Kavita Krishnamurthy 5, Kishore Kumar 20, Muhammad Rafi 10.
Now we have a very nice round where we have a visual. A song is played in the visual and you have to name the song. All of you all position yourselves properly. You can sit on the stage. We have no objection. But please be with your team members. Don't change your teams.
How do we do buzz? Stand and shout.
Pratima, in your excitement, don't fall off the stage. First visual, ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಯಾವ ಜಂಗ್ಲಿ ಜಂಗ್ಲಿ
Only one answer.
ದೇವಾನಂದ.
Oh, yeah, I know. खुला आसमां, आंखों में सारी रात जाएगी, तुमको भी कैसे नींद आएगी. ओ खोया खोया चांद, खोया खोया चांद. Next one.
1, 2, 5, 6, 4. आजा सनम मजूर चांदनी में हम, तुम मिले तो यहाँ ईद मेरा
जाएगी बहार, झूमने लगेगा आसमां, झूमने लगेगा आसमां. I know the song. I know the song.
मोरनी बागमा बोले आधी रात माँ, कनन कन चूड़ियाँ.
प्रतिमा, मोरनी नाचे, not बोले.
कनक गई देख साहिबा, चूड़ियाँ खनक गई हाथ माँ. मोरनी
बागमा नाचे आधी रात माँ. To the song will be played and you have to identify the song. The first, please. Hand raising only, all are buzzer rounds, sir.
Hand raising.
Yes, play the first.
No. नमदू
ये रहना नया कोई गुल खिलाएगी, नया कोई गुल खिलाएगी,
तभी तो चंचल है तेरे नैना।
वेरी गुड सुशीला, वेल डन।
देखो ना तेरे मेरे मिलन की रहना।
The pitch became
जावे तो
Yes, please. Yes, please.
पुकारता चला हूँ मैं गली गली बाहर के, बस एक चांद जुल्फ की, बस एक निगाह है प्यार की, पुकारता चला हूँ मैं।
Yes, this is the signature tune. Please.
Sir, please be seated. Sir is going on your judgment.
They will come in Kannada. Yes. Only two are given.
ಇದೇನಿದು?
Okay. Okay, we go on to the next round. Unfortunately, the third song is not taken up. We go to the round with Dr. Jyotika. Yes.
Okay, now we are going to have vehicle round. There are songs which are sung on the cycle, on the bullock cart, on the boat, on the tractor, on the plane. So first, for 10 seconds, a cycle song. What song?
पुकारता
गली देखो प्यार की गली, मुझे रोको ना सनम, मैं चली
कोई हसीना जब रूठ जाती।
ಬಸಂತಿ.
Who is the first one, Dr. Narayan?
Shall I? कोई हसीना जब रूठ
That's not bullock cart.
जाती।
That's a
Bullock
horse cart. Horse cart.
Bullock cart.
Bullock cart is bull. बुल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में, वही जाने ना।
ओहरी ताल मिले नदी के जल में. Yes, Jyotika. Next one. Jyotika.
कोई यरदे दिखी
Why such a famous song?
गीत बुलाए,
Sing the whole song.
बुलाए,
No, you have to sing the first.
चिंगारी
कोई भड़के तो सावन उसे बुझाए, सावन जो अगन लगाए, उसे कौन बुलाए।
I don't think they get marks. 5 marks. Okay. Next.
No, Shobha is going to do the Antara Mukhada round. She will sing the Antara. You have to tell the Mukhada. What is this Antara? Stanza.
Antara is the in-between one. Charana
Lata
Pallavi.
Mangeshkar 10, Asha Bhonsle 40, Anuradha Padwal 30, Kavita Krishnamurthy 10, Kishore Kumar 50, leading with 50, Mohammad Rafi 10.
Sir, you are ready? Sir is ready? Sir is ready? Okay. I am starting. I am singing the in-between part, the Antara, the Pallavi. No, don't do that. Yeah. Start. रूठी रातों आया कभी तेरे लिए,
रंग के सपने चुने, सपने सुरील है सपने।
घुंघरुओं सी बजती है बूंदे,
सुलग जाए मन।
बस बस बस
बच्चा समझ
आंधी की तरह उड़कर एक राह गुजरती है, शर्माती हुई कोई कदमों से उतरती है।
Yes, yes. Another round. Dr. Srinivas and Rahul gear up. She will sing the Mukhada, the first part, and you will sing the first stanza, the Antara.
वन साक्षात्कारा वलवे मर्यादा ममकारा वलवे मर्यादा मम ಜಲಧಾರೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ದುಂಬಿ ಹಾಡಿನ ಜೇಕಾರದಲ್ಲೂ ಘಮನೆ ಹೊಮ್ಮಿರುವ ಹೊಸ ಹೂವಿನಲ್ಲ ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ಕಾರ.
Very good.
ಒಲವೇ ಜೀವನ.
Very good. Next song.
ದೋಣಿ ಸಾಗಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಲಿ ದೂರ ತೀರವ ಸೇರಲಿ ಬೀಸು ಗಾಳಿಗೆ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೇಲುಗ
Very good.
ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹಾರಲಿ
ಗಿಂಡಿಯ ಹಿಡಿದು ಕೈಯೊಳು ಹೇಮವಾರಿಯ ಚಿಮುಕಿಸಿಯ ಹೊನ್ನ ಗಿಂಡಿಯ ಹಿಡಿದು ಕೈ. Parliamentarians, yeah.
Next one.
ಏನಿದು?
Please be alert. All others. Sushila is going to raise the hand again. Please be alert. Other batches.
ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಏಕೋ ಇಂದು
ನೀನೇನೆ ಸುರಿಯುವ ಸೋನೆಯು ಸೂಸಿದೆ ಅದೇ ಪರಿಮಳ ಇನ್ಯಾರ ಕನಸಲು ನೀನು ಹೋದರೆ ತಳಮಳ ಪೂರ್ಣಚಂದಿರ ರಜ ಹಾಕಿದ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಮೊಗವನ್ನು ಕಂಡ ಕ್ಷಣ ನಾ ಕೈದಿ ನೀನೆ ಸೆರೆಮನೆ ತಪ್ಪಿನೇ.
ಜೀವ ವೀಣೆ ನೀಡು ಮಿಡಿತದ ಸಂಗೀತ ಭಾವಗೀತೆ ಬಾಳಿನೊಲುಮೆಯ ಸಂಕೇತ ಸಂತೋಷ.
No, that is not the stanza.
ಸಂಕೇತ
Stanza. One.
ಮಿಡಿಯುವ ಮನಗಳು ಎರಡು ಮಿಡಿತದ ನಾದವು ಒಂದೇ ಮಿಂಚುವ ಕಣ್ಣಂಚಿನ ಸಂಚು ಎಂದು ಒಂದೇ
ಕನಸಿನ ರಾತ್ರಿಯು ಕಳೆದು ದಯಗಳೆರಡು. That was a very enthusiastic Antakshari round. We congratulate all the participants for being so very enthusiastic. If we hadn't intervened, there would have been fisticuffs too. I think the scorekeepers will now announce. Suchitra, where are you? Yarik.
40. Okay, Kavita Krishnamurthy 5. Kavita Krishnamurthy 5. I forgot. That is the lowest. Okay. And Asha Bhonsle 55. And the winner is
The next item is a contest for children of our members who are less than 12 years. Don't underestimate by looking at their size or the age. They have excellent talent. To judge this event, we have Dr. Arulmozhi and Dr. Sushila Rani. Both of them are trained in Carnatic music. We wouldn't have had better judges than to judge the music contest. To start with, I request Dr. Jyotika to bring in Dr. Girishma, daughter of Dr. Veena. She's just 5.5 years. I request Jyotika to garland her.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಗ್ರೀಷ್ಮ. ನಾನು UKGಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಹೇಳೋದು ಗಜಾನನ ಹಾಡು. ಗಜಾನನ ಗಜಾನನ ವಿಘ್ನಹರಣ ಗಜವದನ ಗೌರಿ ನಂದನ ಗಜಾನನ ಗೌರಿ ನಂದನ ಗಜಾನನ ಶಂಕರ ತನಯ ಗಜವದನ ಶಂಕರ ತನಯ ಗಜವದನ ಗಜಾನನ ಗಜಾನನ ವಿಘ್ನಹರಣ ಗಜವದನ ಷಣ್ಮುಖ ಸೋದರ ಗಜಾನನ ಷಣ್ಮುಖ ಸೋದರ ಗಜಾನನ ಭಕ್ತ ಪಾಲಕ ಗಜವದನ ಭಕ್ತ ಪಾಲಕ ಗಜವದನ ಗಜಾನನ ಗಜಾನನ ವಿಘ್ನಹರಣ ಗಜವದನ ನಿರತ ನಿರಂಜನ ಗಜಾನನ ನಿರತ ನಿರಂಜನ ಗಜಾನನ ನಿರುಪಮ ವದನ ಗಜವದನ ನಿರುಪಮ ವದನ ಗಜವದನ ಗಜಾನನ ಗಜಾನನ ವಿಘ್ನಹರಣ ಗಜವದನ ವೇದ ವಿಲಕ್ಷಣ ಗಜಾನನ ವೇದ ವಿಲಕ್ಷಣ ಗಜಾನನ ನಾಗ ಕಂಕಣ ಗಜವದನ ನಾಗ ಕಂಕಣ ಗಜವದನ ಗಜಾನನ ಗಜಾನನ ವಿಘ್ನಹರಣ ಗಜವದನ ವಿಘ್ನಹರಣ ಗಜವದನ ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್ ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Who taught you this song? Your mom. What's the name of your mother?
Veena.
Veena. Is she here now?
Yes.
Good, very good, very good. You
Can
want to
the
become
mother
a
stand
singer?
up and tell just to show us who she is? She's a daughter of Kafi Bora. She will render a bhajan in Raga Bhairavi.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Krisha. I am going to sing a Krishna bhajan. Shamana baso vrindavan mein meri umar beet gayi gokul mein. Shamana baso vrindavan mein श्याम रस्ते में बाग लगा जाना. फूल गिनूंगी तेरी माला के लिए. श्याम रस्ते में बाग लगा जाना. फूल गिनूंगी तेरी माला के लिए. तेरी बातें निहारू कुंजन में. तेरी बातें निहारू कुंजन में. मेरी उम्र बीत गई गोकुल में. श्याम आना बासो वृंदावन में. श्याम रस्ते में कुआं खोद आ जाना. मैं तो नीर के मेरी उम्र बीत गई गोकुल में शाम आना बसो वृंदावन में वृंदावन में वृंदावन में. Thank you.
Krisha, go to the judges.
Come here,
And
Krisha.
they will appreciate you.
Wonderful. I'm sure all of us forgot whether it's evening or morning with your singing, right? Very good. Very well done. That's a small prize for you.
Our next contestant is Master Tejas. He's the only boy who is singing in this contest. He's son of Dr. Aruna Muralidhar. He's going to render a kriti on Vinayaka in Raga Hamsadwani.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Tejas. I am 9 years, and today I am going to sing Vinayaka, which is in Hamsadwani Ragam set to Aditala.
Very good. And
Tejas, come here. Wonderful. You want to pursue classical music? You want to continue to sing? Good, very good.
All the three contestants have done so well. And it's very nice that the parents, especially the mothers, have identified their skill and talent and tried to promote it and give them the space to develop their skill. So I think both to the contestants as well as the mothers, we should give an applause. All of them did so well. It is very difficult for the judges to decide the rank in which that they got the position. But anyhow, as judges, they have to do that. So I request Dr. Arul and Dr. Sushila to do the concluding remarks for this item and declare the prize winners.
Listening to and seeing the performance of these little ones, unbelievably confident and so good at such a tender age. And it has been very difficult to decide on who will take the crown, right? It's been very difficult. But then I think there's, it's nice that we are two of us. For a single person, it's very difficult. So I think putting the marks together, you can announce
Krisha is here. Now Krisha gets the...
Krisha, is it? Krisha, she's here.
Come, Krisha, come up on the stage. Yes. Krisha gets first prize.
Running around.
So she gets the crown and the first prize. Congratulations, Krisha.
Little stage, Sheila.
We'll move on to the next.
The second place and the third.
I think, it's a tie between the two of them for the second
They can take
place.
the same.
So they can take the same. Girishma and Tejas, can you please come up on the stage?
Grishma, Tejas. Where are they?
Hi, Girishma.
Come, let us all go.
Running competition.
There is Krisha also. One of the participants in the children's round was held up in the traffic jam, so she's arrived late. Can be called Shivani. She is Dr. Ramya's daughter.
I'll put a garland for you. Welcome to our cultural gala.
ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಎತ್ತರ ಸಾಕೆ ಹಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಬಾನು ಬಯಲಲ್ಲಿ ತೇಲುತ್ತ ತಾನು ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ಹಾರೋಕೆ ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಲೊಂದಿದ್ದರೆ ಸಾಕೆ ಚಿಗುರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಕಾನು ಗಾಳಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ತಾನು ಜಿಗಿದು ಆಡೋಕೆ ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಎತ್ತರ ಸಾಕೆ ಹೂ ಒಂದಿದ್ದರೆ ಸಾಕೆ ಬ್ಯಾಡವೆ ಗಾಳಿ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಂಪ ಬೀರೋಕೆ ಹೂ ಒಂದಿದ್ದರೆ ಸಾಕೆ ಬ್ಯಾಡವೆ ಗಾಳಿ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಂಪ ಬೀರೋಕೆ ರೆಕ್ಕೆ
ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಬಾನು ಬಯಲಲ್ಲಿ ತೇಲುತ್ತ ತಾನು ನ್ಯಾಲೆ